Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to close PayPal account permanently. PayPal allows users to permanently close their account if they no longer wish to use the service. Closing a PayPal account deletes your profile and transaction history, so it's important to download any necessary data and withdraw remaining funds before the proceeding if you want to. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So in order to permanently close your account, in the top right corner you can find this small setting gear. Click onto the setting gear over here. Under this, scroll all the way to the bottom and we'll find to this close your account. Click onto this close your account here, and over here you need to prepare your account for the closure, and you need to select to this resolve account limitations. In order to proceed that, over here you need to upload a photo of your ID in order to confirm the information of your PayPal account is accurate. And after that you need to resolve this icon, and after that you can close your account and follow the prompts. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity and provide a reason for the closing as well. And once confirmed, your account will be permanently closed, and after closing you should no longer be able to log into it. And keep an eye on your email for the confirmation message for the PayPal as well. And closing your account ensures your personal and financial information is no longer stored on PayPal, giving you full control over your digital footprint. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.